Hello, my shining stars. So today we are doing class 3 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Chapter 7 Geometry. We have already studied about plane shapes and solid shapes in previous classes. Before knowing more about shapes, we shall take a revision test of what we have learned in previous classes. Warm up. The first one, look at the following figures and count the different shapes it has. Write their numbers in the blanks. So see here, this shape is given. So circle. Count how many circles we have. 1, 2. So 2 here. Now count the triangle. 1, 2, 3. This 4, 5. This 6, then complete 7, then 8, then this 9, this 10, 11, 12. So like this you can count it and write it. Similarly, count the rectangle, count the square. So very interesting. The second one, write the names of these lines. Choose a name from the box. Like here, A part, this line and this line. So this is what? This is the standing line. A part is the standing line. This is sleeping line and this is curved line, right? The third one, choose a name from the box and fill in the blanks. Like A part, what is this? This is a sphere shape. B part, this is cuboid. This is cone and this is cube. Okay. Now the next is important terms. The first one, point. A point is a dot made by a sharp pencil. It has no length, no breadth. It represents the position. See this, like R, right? Now the second one, line. When we join any two points and extend indefinitely in both the direction, it forms a line. The line shows here is denoted as AB, both the side arrow, and how we can read it, line AB. A line has no end points. So this is line. The next is line segment. The joining of 2 points gives a line segment. The line segment shown here is denoted by OS or SO. A line segment is a part of the line. It has a fixed length and 2 end points. The line segment has a fixed length. It's a part of line. It has 2 end points. Okay. Now the second is fourth, ray. If a line segment is extended along one of the directions indefinitely, then a ray is formed. A ray has only one end point. You know sun ray? We know sun ray is coming from the sun. So it has one point, one end point, but it is going how long we don't know. So that is the ray. So a ray has only one end point. It cannot be measured. A ray shown here is denoted as like this. Okay, arrow. And how we can read it? Ray OA. So ray OA, we can't say ray OA is equal to AO. Ray OA is different from AO, right? So now we are talking about types of lines. Straight lines can be of following 3 types. One is vertical line, horizontal line, and oblique or slanting line. The next is parallel lines, when 2 lines have the same direction. The next is parallel lines, when 2 lines have the same distance between them, even if extended indefinitely in both the direction. They are called parallel lines. Here AB and CD, these are parallel to each other, and how we can write it? AB parallel to CD. This is the symbol of parallel lines. Now plane figures or 2D or 2-dimensional shapes. You have learnt about geometrical shapes in your previous class. Let us revise and know more about them. See the first one, square. A square is bounded by 4 equal line segments. Square कैसे बनता है? 4 equal line segments से. Okay, so the next is rectangle. A rectangle has also 4 sides, but opposite sides are equal. Here opposite sides are equal, like we say this is length, this is also length, this is breadth, this is also breadth. The third triangle. A triangle is made up of 3 line segments. जब हम 3 sides लेते हैं तो एक triangle आ जाती है. Its sides may or may not be equal to each other. Okay. Now here this point is given vertex. When 2 sides meet at one point, that point is the vertex. Okay. Next is circle. You know, a circle has no side, no corners. It has a curved boundary. Now assessment 1. The first one, write the shape you will get if you trace the outline of the base of a like book. अगर हम book का base draw करेंगे, what will you get? Which shape? You will get rectangle, coin, you will get circle, chalk box, you will get square, handkerchief, hanky, you will get square shape, matchbox, rectangle, and sun, circle. The second one, name all the line segments in the given figure like B part. So here AB, BC, CD, AB, BC, CD, DE, then EF and FA or AF. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The third one, filling the blanks. A square has how many sides? A square has 4 sides. A line segment has dash and points, 2 end points. A circle has no vertices, no corners. A triangle has 3 vertices, 3 corners. Now drawing shapes on a dotted paper. A dot paper is a paper which has dots spaced at equal distance. It is used to draw the shape with accuracy. A piece of dot paper with plane shape drawn is shown below. Like हमने triangle draw किया है, 3 sides. This is the rectangle and this is the square. So you may also use these dot papers to make different kinds of designs. Copy the following and draw. Now we are talking about solid figures or 3-dimensional means 3D figures. The objects having length, breadth and height are called 3D, 3-dimensional solid figures. Various solid shapes are given below. The first one is cube. जैसे ice cube होती है, cube shape. Cuboid like matchbox. This is cylinder. This is cone like birthday cap, ice cream cone. And this is sphere like ball. Now face, the surface of a solid is called its face. Edge, an edge is formed when 2 surfaces or faces meet. जब 2 faces meet करेंगे तो एक edge बनेगी. And vertex is a point where the ends of edges meet, यानी corners. So see here we have this cuboid. We can see these are the faces. Like you can see your room, 4 walls and floor and roof. These are the faces, and sides of the room, these are the edges, and corners are the vertices. So see here, these are the corners, vertices, these are the edges, and these are the faces. So like this we can count how many faces, how many corners, how many edges. So we have solid figures, their examples and their properties. Like the first one is cube, like examples dice, chalk box, sugar cube. So it is made up of 6 square faces. जिसके faces होंगे वो सारे क्या होंगे? Square होंगे. और कितने vertices हैं? 8 vertices and edges 12. And all faces of a cube are equal. The next is cuboid. You have seen pencil box or matchbox. So pencil box, almirah, lunch box, book, cupboard. These all are examples of cuboid. So it is made up of 6 faces, 4 rectangular and 2 square, like vertices 8 and edges 12. And the opposite faces of a cuboid are equal. Now cone, examples tent, rocket, ice cream cone. It is made up of one curved surface. This is the curved surface and this is the flat, and one plane surface. Okay, so vertex is only one corner and faces 2 and edges 1. Now cylinder, like drum, soft drink cans, gas cylinder, it is made up of 2 plane surfaces. These are plane and this is the one curved. Okay, and vertex is 0, edges 2 and faces 3. Now the next is sphere, like earth, orange, ball. It is made up of only one curved surface, no vertex, no edge, faces 1, right? Now assessment 2, the second one, filling the blanks. A part, a cylinder has dash plane faces. तो cylinder में कितने plane faces है? 2. A sphere has no vertices, 0 vertices. A cube has dash pairs of equal faces. A cube has 3 pairs of equal faces, right? A cuboid has how many edges? 12 edges. And a cone has how many edges? 1. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now think smarter, critical thinking and experimental learning, and aptitude reasoning is also here. So I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.